This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Well, despite pretty good weekly export sales numbers of 35.7 million bushels, the corn market struggled to gain traction yesterday. At the close, the May futures were a half-cent better, while the deferred months were lower. The ongoing prospect of demand destruction, along with the projected huge planted acres number, will probably keep some pressure on this market. One potential bright spot for bulls may be the extended dryness in central and south central Brazil. As I record this, the overnight spot corn futures are trading 2 cents higher. Soybean prices struggled yesterday as we had a weak export sales number of 9 million bushels, and that coupled with the fear of losing animal numbers as a result of the poor economic picture for livestock producers kept soybeans under pressure. In the overnight trade, spot soybean futures are trading 2 cents higher. The wheat market took a beating yesterday on lack of demand. Weekly export sales were poor, coming in at 6.6 million bushels. In addition to that, we missed the Egyptian business. Our FOB offer was the lowest, but the freight made us uncompetitive. Our freight from the U.S. Gulf to Egypt is about $21.50 per metric ton, while the Russians can get it there for about $10 per metric ton. With that factored in, our wheat cost $258.50 per metric ton delivered into Egypt, while Russian wheat worked in there at $255, and they ended up getting the business. On the potentially bullish side of the ledger, the freeze damage of the plains winter wheat crop is starting to show. And we still don't know what the extent of the damage is, but the evidence that it happened is starting to emerge, and that ultimately could be supportive. In the overnight trade, Chicago and Kansas City are each a penny lower, while Minneapolis is trading unchanged as I record this. Cotton continues to trade in a very narrow trading range. Yesterday, we saw the May futures close 4 points higher, settling at 52.79. In the overnight trade, we've caught a little bit of fire with the spot futures up 63 points as I record this. Livestock futures were split yesterday. June live cattle futures finished the day $1.65 higher, while the May feeder cattle futures were $2.90 better for the day. Lean hog futures had a losing session, with June futures down $1.45. Class 3 milk futures retreated yesterday. For the day, we had the May futures down 16 points as they settled at 11.02. In the overnight trade, we have spot futures trading 3 points higher. Livestock cutout values were all stronger yesterday. Choice beef boxes were $5.34 higher to close at $235.87, while selects are up $3.76 as they settle at $225.98. Pork carcass values were $3.76 higher to close at $55.86 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.